So with makeup artistry, one of the most fundamental things is good brushes, and I am here to show you my 5 favorites. The first one I have right here is a fan brush. A fan brush is what you want for perfect highlight application. Why I like this is because it's very soft and light, so it really gets it on easy, but it's also very controlled. So apply to the cheek like that, kind of do a little zigzag motion, and the pigment of the glow is on. This is by far the easiest brush for applying your highlight. Then next up I have this very dense packed brush right here. Now, a lot of people will use this for powder or for contouring. I like this for foundation, and full coverage foundation that is. Because the brushes are so packed and dense with each other, it's really gonna get that coverage out of the foundation. So if you want a full coverage base, this is what you need. Next up, I have this Duo Fiber brush right here. This is a multitasker. This is great for blush, and it just gets it on very smooth and very soft. But if you have fallout underneath the eyes, you do a little swoop, swoop, and it's gone. This is a must-have. Then we have this one right here. Now, I already talked about the fan brush for highlighting, but this one right here is a secret tool. If you want the most blinding highlight out there, this brush right here. The bristles are a little bit more packed, like the black brush we used before, and this is really gonna get that pigmentation out of the shadow or your highlighter. So, fan brush for softer highlight days, this one for boom, I wanna make an impression. Final tool is this sponge right here. And this is a good one because it's got different angles to it. It's got a flat side. This is for your entire face to get it on really fast. Then you want to bake your under eye. That's where this little portion comes in. It has a nice slanted tip just to fit underneath that eye. Want to give it a little pounce? Use the bottom. It's a multitasker tool, and it's perfect for in your kit. And these are some of the fundamental tools you need to take your artistry to the next level.